and welcome. We're headed off today in the Model Y for a bunch of errands. Heading way into South Carolina and then way up into North Carolina to do a bunch of things today. Should be a good day. The weather's decent. It's 82 here. And no rain in the forecast finally, so that's good. Leaving the house at 79% of state of charge. We're up here on the Interstate 26 now, heading east. Going to be our destination in 14 miles. We're off the interstate now on back roads. This is Highway 11? No, 292 it says. Going to be going up to Highway 9 here and then turning right on autopilot as usual. Of course, just using one pedal driving as usual.
Now turn right onto Highway 9.
There's no need to use the brakes. Now we're southbound on Highway 9. We usually run autopilot whenever, even on these roads. All right, the errand's done down here in Boiling Springs. We're now headed all the way up into Hendersonville. We're going to get a little lunch at the El Paso Mexican restaurant at the hotel. There's two of them in Hendersonville, and one of them's at a hotel. I think it's a Best Western, and it's just as good as the big one, and it's on our way. So we're heading that way now. 38 miles. We are now westbound on Interstate 26 again, headed to the north towards Asheville area. That'll be the destination of our next errand here. We're going to have a little lunch, I think, at a Mexican place that we like, and we'll stop on the way up there. Just about at our off-ramp here in Hendersonville, a couple miles. A lot of trucks today. Holy mackerel, I tell you, they're all going somewhere. Trees are getting close to start turning colors here. We saw a few in Tennessee, but because of the elevation, I think so. You kind of look here on the right, it's starting. So it won't be long before it'll be fall season here and what we call leaf season.
Now take exit 49A on the right.
Yep, just getting off the interstate here now. Yeah, you can look at the trees here. They're getting real dry and starting to turn brown. Hopefully they'll turn colors here pretty soon. And that's where we're going.
Now turn right.
Yep. We be here. It's Best Western Motel, and it's got the El Paso restaurant here in the corner, which is pretty good. El Paso. So this is El Paso restaurant, and it's in the Best Western lobby. Nice place. Food's excellent. Good lunch. All right, we are headed that way. We've got
Now turn left onto Chimney Rock
get on
Road.
the interstate, head north for our next stop here. Had a good lunch at El Paso. If you're ever down in the Hendersonville area, there are two. One over on 176, a big one, and then the little one here at the Best Western, just east of the intersection of Four Seasons Boulevard and Interstate 26. Just on Interstate 26 now, heading physically north, but it's westbound 26. In construction, the everlasting construction. Yep, we found the congestion. It's red here around the corner. We'll just leave it on autopilot and let it do its thing. Yeah, look what the autopilot camera sees. See all the traffic? Yeah. So unlike a lot of other lane keeping systems that only look at the vehicles in front, autopilot looks at all the lanes. After all those cars may affect your travel here. Still in traffic here. Looks like we're about out of the red zone now. I think we'll hopefully pick up here. Somebody's probably got a flat tire or something, and everybody's got to slow down to watch it. All right, we're finally moving here. It was a convoy of people to shoot hay over the new seed, and they're moving at about 2 miles an hour. Oh, nice. Anyway, we're mobile again. Another couple miles will be off the interstate. Just getting off the interstate here at Long Shoals Road. Just around the corner from where we're going to be.
Now keep right towards Skyland.
What she said. Doing a little banking now on the way home. We're back on Interstate 26, headed east. Got a little ways to go. Got one more stop and we'll be heading home. Yep, just heading down through the construction. And the careful movers passing me. And I'm doing 5 over. I found everybody again going south. The Google map says it's just kind of red, and well, hopefully it's not for very long. We're back on autopilot yet again, and we're hopefully getting around this. Oh, there's the problem. We've got the same crew that we ran into coming up is apparently now switched sides, and they appear to be spraying hydro seeding or something here. You'll see it in just a second. Zoom tight.
Excuse me.
Makes my wife sneeze. Let's see. So here they are. They're driving along at no speed, and some guy with a hydro seeding cannon up here. Of course, it takes 12 trucks, right? But whatever. He's spraying hydro seed on the things, and then this guy over here is spraying the straw that's supposed to cover the hydro seeding. Not supposed to do that, but that's what they're going to do. Whatever. Finally, we're going. How about that? Let's get up to speed here on autopilot. Well, we're back up to speed. There goes Allied moving. They're hauling. And we're just doing the speed limit here, plus 5. I guess I could be over on that side. I got to count my blessings. Those guys are having a blast over there. And it's red here on Google. Good part is it's going to be redder.
That's the good part.
Back home. Good day. 108.5 miles, 29 kilowatt hours used. I used an average of 263 watt hours per mile. Wasn't so bad. Went all the way down to South Carolina, way up into North Carolina. Had a little lunch, did another errand, and then fought my way through traffic, and I got home. All in all, it was a good day. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to not miss anything going forward. If you would like to buy yourself a Tesla solar roof, the referral link shown here at the bottom of the screen will get you a $500 discount when you use that link to order your solar roof. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again, and take care.